Okay, so we went to the Toronto Woodworking Show yesterday, and I bought myself this. It's for the training project. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need it, so we bought it, and we'll unbox it later when I'm getting around to actually working on it. And then we found wood. Needed the walnut for the train project, so that was really good. And I bought this, but I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. So the good news is, when this wood show was that I found a place that sells wood, and it's not very far away from me. I'm actually going to go there today and probably pick up a few more pieces of wood. But the rest of the video, I'm going to try this editing thing. Hopefully it works out well, but it's going to be of different shots. There's not a lot of audio for it because we didn't really talk very much. It was a really crowded show, which is good. It was a really good show. They had a lot of different things. Just probably need more space for next year. But they did really well, and it's really nice. And I just took some quick little video shots of stuff that I thought was kind of cool looking. And I hope you guys like it. Thanks. Bye. I can't tell anywhere what this thing's working.
Make it bigger too. Now we turn the inside. Prevents it from blowing up on us.
Yeah. No, I can't.
They're hanging on the fence, hanging on.
Get the crown.
Woodchuckers.com,
YouTube stuff.